Hi, my name is Erica. Today I'm here with Grand Western Steaks. I'll be making a steak salad to bring to our barbecue. Today we've got Grand Western Reserve New York strip. I'm gonna go ahead and place a good amount of salt and pepper on it. We're gonna go on a medium-high heat to the grill. We're gonna cut these thick so it can withstand being moved around. We're gonna go ahead and carve out the inside of your bell pepper. We're gonna take the vegetables and just place them on the grill. All right, we've got a beautiful avocado here. We're gonna cut it in half. Moment of truth. Oh, check it out. Just gonna rotate this guy so we get those cross grill marks. Let's see what we got. Ooh, nice. We're using romaine, and then we're gonna use some spring mix to lighten it up a bit. All right, this baby's done. We're gonna take it off the grill and we will let it rest so that it doesn't bleed out. Keep all those juices in. Take off the vegetables now. They look nice and charred. So we're gonna double stack these, make it go a little quicker as we slice them down for the salad. Put some vegetables around and make her look pretty. Some yellow and orange. Take it over, put her on, shake her down. Look at that. Ooh, nice. Thanks for joining me today. If you like the recipe, think you can do it yourself, check the link below for the recipe and product info.